Hello, welcome to Mathsfocus. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this given nice Math Olympiad problem. Solution. S raised to power s is equal to 100. S raised to power of s is equal to 100. Now let's take the natural log of both sides. Ln of s raised to power of s is equal to ln of 100. Then this is ln of s raised to power of s is equal to ln of 100 can be written as ln of 10 square. Then this is s, ln of s is equal to 2 ln of 10. Then from here we can apply Lambert W function, which says that W of a e raised to power a is equal to a. Then this is ln of x multiplied by e raised to power ln of s is equal to 2 ln of 10. Then we can introduce w to both sides. We have w bracket ln of s multiplied by e ln of s is equal to w bracket 2 ln of 10. Then from here, ln of s is equal to w bracket 2 ln of s. Now let's introduce e. This is e raised to power ln of s is equal to e raised to power w bracket 2 ln of x. Then this we cancel this e. S is equal to e raised to power w bracket 2 ln of x. And if you press your calculator very well from here, s is equal to 3.5973. Now we can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s raised to power s is equal to 100. Then when s is 3.5973, here is 3.5973 to the power of 3.5973 must be equal to 100. Now, if you press your calculator very well, 3.5973 to the power of 3.5973, this is 100 is equal to 100, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 3.5973. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.